Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Easy Tips for Learners. Let us know the combinations of verbs and prepositions. Shall we? Let me list out some verbs and preposition combination. They are punish for, charge with, quarrel with or quarrel about, compare with, refer to, comply with, rely on, conform to, remind of, consist of, resort to, deal in, succeed in, depend on, accuse of, insist on, apologize to or apologize for, live on, apply to or apply for, long for, ask for or ask about, object to, attend to, occur to, beg for, persist in, believe in, prefer to, beware of, prepare for, blame for, suspect of, dream of or dream about, think of or think about, fight with or fight for, wait for, warn about, hope for or hope to, wish for. Can we use them in sentences? Yes, here we go. You haven't complied with the regulations. So identify the verb plus preposition. Yes, it is complied with. For a week she lived on bananas and milk. Can you spot the verb plus preposition combination? Yes, it is lived on. When arguments failed, he resorted to threats. So where is the verb plus preposition combination resorted to? Do you believe in ghosts? Believe in. It's a combination of verb and preposition. They were charged with receiving stolen goods. So here what is the combination verb plus preposition? Can you identify? Yes, charged with. That is the combination of verb plus preposition. Stay tuned for some more. Thank you.